Imagine you have a group of 100 patients and you are measuring bilirubin. So in terms of to see how their kidney and liver functioning. You are giving same treatment to the all 100 patients. Still you see variability. Why? So today I'm going to discuss on standard deviation. So if you'll go by the definition, it says that it measures the variability of each individuals from the mean. Now your question would be that why mean? So mean is your central point of your data, that is your average value. So if you remember the bell-shaped curve, so you will see on the peak, that is your average value. So we are more interested to see the variation, the variability from the mean, regardless of the lowest or highest response. So we are more focused to see that how the patients are doing in terms of the average response. So you always compare with the average response. So average treatment effect. So let's say for example, if the baseline patient's bilirubin test result was 3.5 milligram per deciliter, and after the treatment, the mean we are getting 1 milligram per deciliter. So obviously we can see the drastically decrease in the bilirubin, and which is falling under around the normal range, and also it means we can see the treatment is positively, it is effective. This is the mean average, that is, this is on an average overall the treatment effect we can see. However, we can see little variability, and that's variability we calculate from the data. So let's say for example, mean bilirubin we have 1.2 milligram per deciliter, and you calculated the standard deviation and you got 0.5 milligram per deciliter. So it means your each individual value is on an average 0.5 unit away from the mean. So this is what you will interpret after seeing this standard deviation. So it means it doesn't guarantee that each value is exactly 0.5 away from the mean, but it says that on an average it would be nearby 0.5. We get to know that how much variability is there. Let's say for example, अगर आपकी कोई data में कोई deviation ही नहीं है, कोई variability ही नहीं है, then each value would be equivalent to the mean, like 1.2, 1.2, 1.2. So then there is no variability, and you will not get that bell-shaped spread curve. So this is what you get to know, that how much variability is there on an average from standard deviation. And if you remember, if your data is following normality distribution, then you will see that curve 68% data lies within plus or minus 1 standard deviation, or 95% data lies within plus or minus 2 standard deviation, or 99.7% data lies within plus or minus 3 standard deviation. So what we mean by this, if I say 99.7, so almost 100% data lies within plus or minus 3 standard deviation. So within 3 standard deviation of range, all your patients